Let's explore PHP testing, specifically focusing on unit testing with PHPUnit. We will cover writing and running unit tests, as well as effectively testing PHP applications. Unit testing involves testing individual components or functions of your code in isolation. This ensures that each unit works correctly before integration with other parts of the system. PHPUnit is the most popular testing framework for PHP applications. It provides a comprehensive set of tools including assertions, test organization capabilities, and reporting tools to make your testing process more efficient and reliable. You can install PHPUnit in a couple of ways. The first method is via Composer. You can run the command composer require dev punit/punit. Alternatively, you can install PHPUnit via PHPHAR. You can use the command git https://phart punit/phar followed by chmod plus xpunit.phar. Here's the basic structure of a PHPUnit test. A test class such as calculator test extends the test case class. Within this class, you define test methods like test addition. Inside the test method, you create an instance of the class you want to test. Then you call the method and store the result. Finally, you use assertions like assertEquals to check that the actual result matches the expected result. The key elements of a test case are that it extends test case. The name of the method should start with the word test. It should use assertions. It should follow a range, act, and assert pattern. PHPUnit provides a wide range of assertions to validate different conditions. Some basic assertions include assertEquals, which checks if two values are equal, assertTrue, and assertFalse, which check if a condition is true or false, and assertNull and assertNotNull, which check if a value is null or not null. For string assertions, you can use assertStringContains to check if a string contains a specific substring. You can use assertStringStartsWith to check if a string starts with a specific prefix, and assertStringEndsWith to verify if a string ends with a specific suffix. Finally, assertMatches regular expression checks if a string matches a given regular expression. To run your tests, you can use the command /vendor/bin/punit. To run specific test files, use punit/test/. You can also filter to run individual methods using punit filter test method name. To get a more readable output, you can use punit testdocs. Some useful options include colors to add colors to the output, verbose to get more detailed output, coverage HTML coverage / to generate code coverage reports in HTML format, stop-on-failure to stop the test suite upon the first failure, and bootstrap.php to specify a bootstrap file to be executed before running the tests. Some of the testing guidelines includes keeping the test simple and focused, using descriptive test method names, following the arrange, act, assert pattern, also known as the AAA pattern. Finally, test one thing at a time. For code organization, mirror your source structure. Use setup and tear down methods for setup and cleanup. Mock external dependencies to isolate your tests, and aim for high test coverage to ensure that a large portion of your code is tested. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.